then the similar maps, drought-prone areas and the forests that you have in the country are available for comparison here. And we find that the two relate at global level and in this case the national level. This is water stress areas in the country versus the forest cover map, and you find the where forests are there, those areas are either not water stressed or very little water stress, and that is how in the states, like say suppose state like ours, we have number of west flowing rivers. We are trying to catch that water and pumping it over the ridge to the eastern areas because we need drinking water. Is that an ecologically bad proposal? We need to understand. We saw this. This is just for your interest. 1880, how people are reconstructing the forest mapping. Just 1880 versus 2010, just look at the paleness or the change in color. And it is to your credit that wherever you had forest then, almost everywhere there you have forest now. This is to your credit. This is extraordinary success of the forestry sector. Right? And this, you are always targeted for this, reducing forest cover, but you will now know in this slide as to how forest and when forest transition happened. This graph is simply talking about three things. It's saying there has been a deforestation phase, which is, it is saying from about 1942, 60s. Deforestation phase, the forest area coming down. This is forest area. Then we getting into afforestation, when number of social forestry programs throughout the country have happened. And in this phase, we start to kind of slowing down that and start to accumulate. And this is the point where we started, the forest area started to, FSI start to say that it is increasing forest cover. We are not talking about quality of forest, we are not talking about where in the country. We are just talking about forest cover as is defined by FSI and measured through satellites with whatever accuracy it may have, right? And you have no other agency doing the same job. You may have ISRO doing a little bit of it, and if there has to be a discussion between them, let it happen, let them resolve it. But the overall conclusion, both of them are making of an increasing trend, which we are calling now conservation phase and building forests. The forest area is increasing despite your population increasing from 36 to 136 crore. Despite all the developmental pressure, is to the credit of your community. Managing forests. This is general. We talk about all of these on everyday basis. That tree cover enhances transpiration moisture, it enhances soil storage, it avoids flash flood, let us avoid opening the canopy and turning of soil, and let us try control the invasive species by creating a canopy cover. So we are trying to make a case for planting more trees. If we think if peninsular India, if we have more trees in the drier belt of Karnataka, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, the incidence of rainfall would improve. We'll have better moisture available for everything, including agriculture, and that would bring resilience to agriculture in a warming world, in a rapidly changing climate scenario. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Jagmohan Sharma, for highlighting the connection between forest and rainfall. Now, I request all the guests and participants to break for the lunch, and the lunch will be served in the VIP hall. Thank you.